Apple makes risky bet on VR future. Are you ready to enter a universe where reality is redefined and creativity has no bounds? Consider this, a future in which virtual and augmented reality merge to produce immersive experiences that erase the distinction between the digital and physical worlds. But here's the fundamental question. Is Apple prepared to lead us into this exciting new frontier with its huge investment on VR and AR technology? In this video, we'll delve deep into Apple's hazardous but potentially game-changing foray into the VR/AR space. Join us as we investigate the cutting-edge breakthroughs, strategic insights, and potential obstacles that lie ahead and determine whether Apple's bet will pay off in influencing the future of immersive technology. Prepare to be charmed, interested, and inspired. This is a voyage you do not want to miss. Apple's strategic shift. Apple's strategic pivot into virtual and augmented reality. VR/AR is a substantial divergence from its usual product selection, indicating the company's desire to lead in developing technologies. Apple, long recognized for its innovation in consumer electronics such as iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks, is now entering into the immersive world of VR and AR, realizing the revolutionary potential of these technologies. This strategy move shows Apple's dedication to remaining at the forefront of technological innovation while fulfilling the changing requirements of its customers in an increasingly digital environment. By investing in VR/AR, Apple hopes to broaden its product ecosystem, generate new revenue streams, and set itself apart from competitors in a quickly changing industry. Furthermore, this approach is consistent with Apple's overall ambition of providing seamless and intuitive user experiences across its devices by incorporating VR/AR capabilities into its existing ecosystem of hardware, software, and services. As Apple embraces this new frontier, it positions itself to control the future of immersive technology and reimagine how we engage with digital information and our surroundings. Investment in ARKit. Apple's large investment in ARKit demonstrates the company's commitment to augmented reality, AR, technology, and its potential to revolutionize how we interact with digital information. ARKit, Apple's augmented reality platform, offers developers strong tools and frameworks for creating realistic AR experiences on iOS devices. ARKit allows developers to effortlessly incorporate virtual items and information into the real world, opening up new possibilities in gaming, education, retail, and other fields. Apple's commitment in ARKit goes beyond software development. It is a strategic bet on the future of AR and its integration into the Apple ecosystem. With ARKit, Apple enables developers to unleash their creativity and create new AR applications that improve how we work, play, and interact with our surroundings. As augmented reality technology matures and gains acceptance among consumers, Apple's investment in ARKit places the company as a leader in the expanding area, propelling the adoption and growth of AR experiences globally. Rumored VR headset. The speculations about Apple's development of a standalone virtual reality VR headset have garnered great interest and curiosity in the tech industry. While details are limited, sources suggest that Apple's VR headset will be a considerable departure from current offerings, focusing on design, performance, and connection with the Apple ecosystem. Unlike tethered VR systems, which require external sensors or connections to a powerful PC, Apple's reported headset is supposed to be self-contained, offering customers a more smooth and immersive VR experience. Furthermore, the headgear may have advanced display technologies, high-resolution optics, and novel input methods, establishing a new standard for VR hardware. With Apple's well-known emphasis on design and user experience, a speculated VR headset has the potential to appeal to a large audience and encourage mainstream adoption of VR technology. However, like with any new product category, Apple will face uncertainties and hurdles such as technical constraints, manufacturing issues, and rivalry from established competitors in the VR industry. Nonetheless, if Apple's reported VR headgear becomes a reality, it might be a watershed moment in the advancement of VR technology, cementing Apple's status as a leader in innovation and consumer electronics. Market challenges. Apple's entry into the virtual and augmented reality VR/AR sector is not without problems, as the industry is still in its early stages and faces numerous barriers to widespread acceptance. One of the most significant problems is technical restrictions, such as display quality, field of view, and motion tracking precision. Current VR/AR hardware frequently fails to provide high-resolution graphics and a wide field of view, which might detract from the immersive experience. Furthermore, motion sickness and discomfort are still typical difficulties for some users, restricting the appeal of VR/AR technology to a specific demographic. Furthermore, worries regarding privacy and data security pose significant barriers to widespread use. As VR/AR systems capture and analyze sensitive user data, there are growing worries about how it will be stored, used, and secured. Users may be hesitant to use VR/AR technology if they believe their privacy is at stake, resulting in slower adoption rates and limited market growth. Another difficulty is the high cost of VR/AR hardware, which might be too expensive for many consumers. Premium VR headsets and AR glasses are typically prohibitively expensive, keeping them out of reach for a large percentage of the public. Furthermore, a lack of engaging content and applications for VR/AR devices can deter customer interest and slow adoption. Without a strong ecosystem of immersive experiences, people may be hesitant to invest in VR/AR devices, aggravating the problem. Finally, competition in the VR/AR sector is strong, with major behemoths such as Facebook, Google, and Microsoft fighting for supremacy. These companies have significant resources and expertise in creating VR/AR technology, making it difficult for newcomers like Apple to establish traction in the industry. Furthermore, the fragmented structure of the VR/AR ecosystem complicates issues, since multiple platforms and hardware solutions may be incompatible, restricting consumer choice and adoption. Despite these hurdles, Apple's entry into the VR/AR market has the potential to spur innovation and mainstream adoption of immersive technologies. By utilizing its strong brand, design expertise, and ecosystem of hardware, software, and services, Apple may be able to overcome these challenges and establish a big presence in the VR/AR industry. However, managing the market's intricacies will necessitate careful planning, strategic alliances, and an unwavering emphasis on delivering great user experiences. Competition in the space. Competition in the virtual and augmented reality VR/AR industry is fierce, with digital behemoths like Facebook, Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Sony all fighting for supremacy. Each of these organizations offers unique skills and resources to the market, resulting in a highly dynamic and competitive environment. Meta, for example, has made significant investments in VR through its Oculus brand, which offers a variety of VR devices and an expanding library of immersive experiences. Google has also made considerable advancements in augmented reality with its AirSword platform and Google Glass Enterprise Edition, which target both the consumer and enterprise industries. Microsoft's HoloLens has gained traction in the industry, providing mixed reality experiences to areas such as healthcare, manufacturing, and education. Sony, on the other hand, has a strong presence in the gaming business thanks to its PlayStation VR headset, which caters to a big and loyal following. Each of these companies is constantly developing and iterating on their VR/AR solutions, resulting in breakthroughs in hardware, software, and content. Furthermore, new firms and startups are joining the industry, increasing competition and pushing the boundaries of VR/AR technology. Apple sees the rivalry as both a problem and an opportunity. While the company faces fierce competition from established players with large funds and vast resources, it also benefits from a strong brand, a dedicated customer base, and an ecosystem of hardware, software, and services. By exploiting these assets and focusing on producing appealing user experiences, Apple has the ability to capture a sizable piece of the VR/AR market and position itself as a leader in immersive technology. To succeed in this competitive context, Apple must differentiate its offers, address critical pain areas, and provide new solutions that appeal to both consumers and companies. Uncertainty surrounding adoption. The virtual and augmented reality VR/AR industry is still in its early stages, and consumer acceptance of these technologies remains uncertain. While interest in VR/AR is increasing, particularly in the gaming, entertainment, and enterprise sectors, various factors may influence the rate and extent of adoption. One major uncertainty is user interest and demand. While early adopters and tech aficionados have welcomed VR/AR technologies, general customers may be hesitant to invest in high-end hardware and immersive experiences. Questions remain concerning VR/AR technology's value proposition and capacity to provide compelling and meaningful experiences that justify the investment. Furthermore, pricing is a major impediment to adoption. High-end VR headsets and AR glasses can be expensive, keeping them out of reach for many people. Adoption rates may rise as prices fall and more inexpensive options become available, but it is unknown how quickly or whether this would be sufficient to encourage universal adoption. Another element impacting adoption is the availability of engaging content and applications. While there is a growing library of VR/AR experiences in the gaming, entertainment, education, and enterprise sectors, the quality and diversity of material varies greatly. VR/AR platform success is dependent on the availability of high-quality, immersive experiences that appeal to a wide range of audiences. Furthermore, worries regarding privacy, data security, and user comfort may influence adoption rates. Users may be hesitant to adopt VR/AR technology if they believe their personal information is at risk, or if they experience discomfort or motion sickness while using VR/AR equipment. Regulatory and ethical factors may add to the uncertainties around adoption. As VR/AR technology becomes more widely used, serious problems concerning safety, accessibility, and ethical use arise, notably in healthcare, education, and the workplace. Overall, while there is great excitement and potential for VR/AR technology to alter industries and improve the way we live, work, and play, adoption remains a major barrier. To solve these challenges and foster mainstream acceptance of VR/AR technology, industry players must work together, innovate in hardware and software, and continue to educate and raise awareness. Join us on the cutting edge of VR/AR technology. Subscribe now for weekly updates and deep dives into Apple's strategic shift into the immersive world of virtual and augmented reality.